Yo, what's up guys, my name's Ethan from The Tech Life, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can jailbreak your iPhone on iOS 13.5 and under, and how you guys like the quality. Make sure you comment. I just got my new A-roll camera in today, so let me know what you think, and let's go hop over to my computer. Okay guys, so now that you're on your computer and I am on my computer, the first step that you want to do is log in and type your password. Okay, so all jokes aside, make sure you're on your home screen, and I'm going to put a screen relay of my computer on your screen and just have my camera and a webcam so I can show you everything I'm doing and how to get your phone jailbroken step by step. Okay, so the first website you're going to go to is youtube.com/thetechlife, and click that big red subscribe button and turn notifications on, the big bell. It would really mean a lot to me. Okay, now seriously, all jokes aside, first thing you want to do is go to and download iCloud and iTunes for your computer. And by the way, this is just for Windows if you can't already tell. So I'll have links in the description for iCloud and iTunes, and you want to click download iCloud for Windows on the Microsoft Store. If you didn't already catch my mistake there, you want to slap yourself on the neck super hard for using the Microsoft Store ever, and you want to go down here and click where it says on Windows 7 and Windows 8. You can download iCloud for Windows on Apple's website. I know you probably don't have Windows 7 or Windows 8, but you still want to download iCloud for Windows on Apple's website and get the 64-bit version, because the one from the Microsoft Store will not work for jailbreak. So after you get that done, it's going to be the same step process for iTunes. You're going to go to iTunes.apple.com, click go to download, and instead of clicking get it from Microsoft right here because Microsoft Store equals bad, you're going to go down here at the very bottom where it says looking for other versions, and then click on where it says Windows, which you can then click download iTunes for Windows Now 64-bit version, and underneath it it's 32-bit version if your Windows 10 is 32-bit. And so go ahead and download those, open them up, make sure they work just fine, and after that you're gonna go to altstore.io, or just the link in the description where it's titled AltStore, and click down here where it says Windows Beta. Make sure it's downloaded to computer, and then after that you're gonna go to your start menu, and somewhere down there, it should be at the top because it's recent, but you're gonna see right here alt server. You're gonna click and run your alt server. Then after you set up and sign in with your iCloud password, it will just disappear, and don't worry, your computer's working just fine. If you don't get any arrows, your next step is to go down here and you see this little arrow next to your date and time on your taskbar. Click the arrow and then tap on the little gray diamond, which is the alt server icon. Then down here it's going to say installed install alt store, and mine currently says no connected devices. But if I connect my iPhone to my computer with a lightning cable, I unlock it, click trust this computer, hover over install, it should say Korean Nuke, which is the name of my phone. Yours will be the name of your phone, obviously it's not. After that you're going to click on your phone name to install AltStore. Then once it's installed, you want to go to your home screen. Then once it's installed, you're going to want to go to your app screen, home screen, whatever you want to call it, on your phone. Then you should see the small alt server icon on your phone, which is this little triangle right there. I'll put a box over it, and with the turquoise background just like you saw on the website. And you're going to want to go into Alt Store, then go to My Apps, which now it's just going to show the Alt Store app. And what you want to do now, I'm going to be a link in the description, go to uncover.dev on Safari or Chrome on your iPhone. Then it should be an option that says open in Alt Store, just like this. So go ahead and tap where it says open in Alt Store. Then when you do, you should go to the Alt Store app on your iPhone, and in My Apps you will see Uncover, and you're going to want to go ahead and click where it says get on the app and click it and install. Then it should be installed to your phone, and make sure it's still connected to your computer. If it's not the problem, that's the problem. So then go to Uncover on your iPhone. See if I can get the focus. you're going to want to go ahead and click where it says jailbreak. The blue button, mine says re-jailbreak because I've already jailbroken it. And then after you do that, it's going to restart a couple times and get the jailbreak done. And it should averagely take about 2 to 3 tries to get it jailbroken. If it doesn't work the first try, it's still going to work. You just have to try a couple more times, and eventually you will see Cydia on your phone. And once you do see Cydia, then you can go ahead and install any tweak you would. If you don't know any tweaks, stay tuned for tonight or tomorrow. I'm going to be posting my top 10 and my top 20 jailbreak tweaks for iOS 13.5, so stay tuned, turn the bell on for that. And you have to know that there is repositories and repos that you have to download for your tweaks. They're not just going to automatically be on Cydia. So just wait a couple hours and I will have a video out for all of you guys that want to know the best tweaks that you can possibly have. And when it's done, you will have a jailbroken phone with some cool tweaks. So make sure you guys stay tuned, like and subscribe to the video if you liked it, and I will have a brand new video out for you guys tomorrow. Peace.